Like a buy a cash pot, him go sell 2 back and like a buy a cash pot. My brethren, no. Him lucky.
Humphrey was recruited for rugby after not making it onto his high school football team.
He used to run picks a lot. So for me, rugby first thing.
Yeah,
Exactly what was the
16 weekend, 33 weekend.
and having to get good.
I don't know what you're gonna buy, 6, 7, 10, man.
No matter. Listen, no, I'm coming in there. Coming in there? No, I'm not pushing it.
Ended up after Jomo
No.
Yeah,
Hehehehe